Hi everybody. I hope y'all are having a good day. It's so cold outside. I'm gonna make a pasta dish. It's hubby's birthday today and we are going away. So I'm gonna make a quick little dish so that the kids can have some dinner today. If you are a parent and you go out of town sometimes when you have to go out of town for work, or you have an event to go to, but that you have older kids that don't cook, this is a dish for you. So if you're new to the channel, hit that like and subscribe button so that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first people to see them. So as I said, today is hubby's birthday and we're going to go out of town to celebrate. So I'm making dinner for my son so that he will have something to eat when we're gone. So what I have here is I'm going to just make something real quick, real easy and simple. So what I have here on the stove is some boiling water. And then what I'm going to do here is make some pasta. What I'm making is tortellini alfredo. It's something that he really likes. So it's just something that all he has to do is warm it up. So this is a great dish for during the week. Also, if you've got older children that can put, food in the microwave and warm it up real quick, this is a dish that is great for them. So while I'm doing this, take a moment. If you haven't had a chance to hit the like button, show me a little love, and let me know what dishes you guys cook for your kids, that are either high school kids or college adult kids that maybe come home from school on the holidays or come home when the winter breaks or in the summer breaks. Let me know what special dishes you make for your kids when they come home. So I'm making this for my son, and it'll be something that he could have for dinner while we are out. So again, this is tortellini. The one that I have here is the one that has the 3 colors. It's really festive, it's easy, so nothing to it. So like I said, there is a pot of boiling water here that I have, and these are the tricolor 3 cheese. Let me show you guys. This is the tricolor 3 cheese tortellini. So I'm making 2 boxes. So just gonna drop it in. I'm gonna put it in a pot of boiling water. I've used just some distilled water that I put in the pot there. I use distilled water because it's already salted. It's just a step that you don't have to do. So just add your water in there, bring it to a boil, and then what we're going to do now is put our tortellini in there and let them soften. So again, this is something quick, something that takes no time. You could probably make this dish in about 15 or 20 minutes, maybe before you are getting ready to walk out the door. So I'm doing 2 boxes. If you've got boys, or either you've got teenagers who play sports, or children who are good eaters, this is a party dish for them, and it's something that they could warm up pretty easily when they're ready for dinner. So I'm making this for the boys, and something really easy. You don't need much for this dish. You're going to just need the tortellini as I showed you, and you will just need some Alfredo sauce. Now I've got some homemade sauce that I have here, but if you haven't had a chance to make any homemade Alfredo sauce, you can just pick up a jar in your local grocery store and it makes making this dish that much easier. So we've got all our tortellini in our boiling water. I'm going to just give it a stir. Just give it a stir so that nothing sticks. This is, again, about 2 packages. And they swell a little bit, so you want to just be careful. I probably should have put this in a bigger pot to give it more room. But I think we'll be fine. But when you're making this, use a bigger pot. So I have the water here. I'm going to just put the top on and let it come to a boil. Hang on 1 minute. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to let this cook for about 15 minutes and I'll be right back and show you guys what it looks like. Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I am making some tortellini Alfredo for my son because I'm going out of town, and it's a simple, easy dish that I'm going to make that he can have for dinner, and it can be made in no time. So I've got my tortellini that I'm cooking over the stove here. It's pretty much done, and he's going to have it with some honey butter carrots here that I've made. So that's going to be his dinner. So let's drain our tortellini, and then we're going to add my homemade Alfredo sauce. So give me 1 second. We have to strain our pasta. Okay, let's strain our pasta that we've been boiling. I've saved about 1/4 cup of our pasta water. Anytime you're making a pasta sauce and you're making pasta, save a little bit of the water that you've boiled the pasta in case you need to thin out your sauce or make it a little bit thicker. The water will help that. So here we have our tortellini, our 3 cheese tortellini that we have here. It's a tricolor one. It's 3 colors. So we're going to put it back into our cooking pot here. We're going to try not to lose any. Let's see here. We lost one. Okay, so we have our pot here, and we're going to put this eye on very, very low because we don't want our sauce to burn. So we have our cooking liquid here that we've saved, and looks like one of our tortellinis went in there. So save a little bit of the cooking liquid just in case you need it. You may or may not need it, but always save it just in case you do. So I have my homemade tortellini sauce here that I've made. So I'm going to just add it to our 3-cheese tortellini. And I'm going to just give it a stir. This is the easiest weeknight dinner that you could make. So easy, so quick, and you just give it a stir. Make sure that you incorporate it to all of the pasta. Look at that. It looks so good already, y'all. You see that? Delicious. Creamy, simple, and delicious. So we're going to give it a stir. Make sure you get all of the pasta. And then we're going to add a little bit more. And stir it in again. Making sure that we get all of our sauce on the pasta. You want to cook your pasta for about 10 to 12 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. So we have our pasta here that's ready. I'm going to just get a little bit of parsley for the top. And that's really it, guys. Tortellini Alfredo is so easy to make, takes no time, and is great for teenagers or kids that are looking for a snack after school. This is great to whip up and they'll be eating in no time. Hold on 1 minute. Be right there, y'all. Well, I couldn't find my parsley, so we're going to just move. We're going to just move on without it. So we have our dish here that we're going to put our tortellini in. So we have just a little bit more sauce that we're going to add. So we'll add the last of it. And save a little for the top. Okay, so we're going to just add it to our bowl here. You see? We're just adding it to our bowl. And then you want to just add the last part of your sauce right on top of your tortellini. And the last thing that I would do for this, guys, is just sprinkle. Try not to let it fall. Okay. So the last thing I would do for this, guys, is sprinkle some Parmesan cheese and some parsley on top. I couldn't find my parsley, so I'm going to just leave it as it is. But if you have parsley or basil in your house, you can just add it on top, and that's it. You don't need much more than that. So that's it, guys. Thank you for spending time with me in the kitchen with Alethea. And thank you for watching me as I made my son some tortellini alfredo for his dinner tonight, and some honey butter carrots that he's going to have as well. Yeah, so that's it. This is something simple and easy that you can do for the kids. If you've got a meeting that you got to go to, or you've got an event that you have to prepare, and you need to make a simple, quick, easy dinner where the kids can just warm up in the microwave, this is a great meal. And the kids love pasta, so it's something that's simple, easy, and quick. So if you haven't had a chance to hit that like and subscribe button, give me a thumbs up and let me know. This is how you guys find out about my videos, and this is how my videos get out. So if you don't mind giving me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time or in the kitchen with Alethea. Bye, guys.